Yeah, what's wrong with the beer we got?
Once again, the tomatoes from our garden here. We got 2 packs, one in the microwave thawing out. There's about 50 in each pack. We're going to make another homemade lasagna. Another homemade chili. I got lasagna in the brain. The only difference this time is this. We have a whole chuck steak in there cut up. You can see the pieces. We normally use hamburger, and we do use hamburger. Big chunks of hamburger. Lots of celery, lots of onion, garlic powder, salt, pepper, the usual with your chili powders when you're done. And she's cooking up some more burger here and thawing out the tomatoes. Like I say, there's about 50 tomatoes, plum tomatoes, mainly in each pack. So this is our second lasagna. I'm glad to see she went with a bigger.
Chili.
Still chilly. I know it's chilly. I can put another log on the fire. Why wouldn't I? Lasagna on the brain. So this chili's coming together, and we got the gonzo or the chili beans ready to go in. The kidney beans ready to go in once this is all cooked up. And she's doing a bang up job here. I'm glad she used a bigger kettle. We'll have some we can freeze because her recipe's just so dang good. So dang good. Maybe we should win another contest on this if we take it into the zoo. Take it into the zoo. What are you talking about? Lasagna. I got lasagna on the brain. This is chili. So yeah, it's going to be a darn good chili. So I'll let her get back at it here. I don't want to interfere because I can smell it all the way in the back. That's what it looks like with 1 pack of tomatoes in. And the other pack is in the microwave trying to thaw out here. We'll turn this down and let it steam up once we get the cover on there. I come out here to stir it, and you can see the tomato brick here. It's actually still frozen here. Oh, but boy, is that going to taste good. So I'll flip it over. And we'll leave this on simmer with the cover on. And let that thaw out. Everything's in there besides the beans. So flavor the taste from here on out. But the tomatoes are still frozen. So we'll just take this cover, put it back on there, and let it simmer. There's the chili that the beautiful tomatoes make from growing in the garden. Got regular hamburger meat in there, and we got some chuck steak cut up in there, and the kidney beans. So I can't wait to dig into this. I'm probably steaming up the camera again. So there it is. There's the chili. It's got all kinds of stuff in there. It's got steak meat and our tomatoes, hamburger chunks, everything. I don't know if I'm going to steam up the camera. We'll get down close, see what happens. But that's what it looks like. She's delicious. Can't wait to get into it.